Hello all, welcome to our channel Where to Know. So in this video we will see how to display a customized symbol on the 8x13 LED matrix of Arduino Uno Q. Okay, so one thing what we have to remember is the LED matrix that is present on the Arduino Uno Q is controlled by the microcontroller and not the processor that is present. So the STM32U585 is going to control the LED matrix, and to generate a particular symbol on the LED matrix, we have to first get the array of the data. To get the data, you have to go to LED matrix dash editor dot arduino cc, and we are going to actually display a symbol here, or show a LED, show a love symbol here using the LEDs. Okay, so you have to first frame the love symbol like this. This is what exactly you see on the display. Okay, now click on download. Okay, once you click on download, you will get the array of data. So you need the data, and that array should be passed to the display. Now let us see what need to be done in the app lab. So as we know, app lab is basically used to display your write your code and dump to the board, right? Like your Arduino IDE, correct? So here we don't have example code here for that particular code. So you have to create a new code. For that, click on create new app and give your name. So here we have given a name LED matrix demo. So now once you create, you see this display. Okay, in the Python code, as we have seen in the earlier, we don't need anything, because in this we are not passing any data from the processor to the microcontroller. We only need to write a code such that it gets executed from the STM32U585 microcontroller. So the LED matrix basically is controlled by the STM32, as we said. So go to the sketch.ino, and here we will be using the Arduino LED matrix library. Okay, and whatever data you get from the animator generation or the LED matrix generation window, you have to enter here. So this exactly is 8 rows, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have 13 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So you have that. Okay, and you can see just a view of the symbol, love symbol here. Okay, see, you can see here, this is what is going to be displayed on the Arduino Uno Q. Okay, so this is arranged in a array form, and we are actually creating an object of Arduino LED matrix, and in the setup we are saying matrix.begin. Begin is the method that is supported, and set grayscale bits. That means all the bits are set to 1, and what we are doing is using a draw method in this Arduino LED matrix. We are actually sending this entire lower data to the display. So that's what we are doing in the setup here, and then going to the loop, we are actually setting the grayscale bits to 0, and with a delay of 2 seconds, what we are doing is we are actually trying to draw the logo again, and then again 2 seconds will not be displaying anything. So that means there is a blinking of these LEDs with a love symbol. For 2 seconds there will be blank screen, and for 2 seconds there will be a love symbol that will be blinking, that will be displayed on the LED matrix. So that's what the code does. So here We are not doing anything on the Python code. It's just the Arduino sketch that we'll be using and the Arduino library to dump the code. A very simple code, right? And then once you click on run, let us just look at that as well. It compiles and it runs the code on the board, and you can actually see the symbol, or the love symbol blinking on the LED matrix. A very simple demo. You can try by yourself with different symbols using the LED matrix generation.